Python has many ways of helping you store data. These include lists, variables, and lists containing variables. But let's take it a step further by learning about dictionaries. In Python, a dictionary is a data structure that holds key-value pairs. Think of a regular dictionary. A key in a regular dictionary would be a word, and the value would be the definition of that word. You'll need a dictionary if you want to access the information of something quickly. Let's say you're writing a program storing phone numbers. You don't want to store them all in a list and try to remember which number belongs to your friend and which number belongs to your family member and so on. You want to be able to do a quick search and see which phone number belongs to which person. For that, declare a new dictionary name. Instead of square brackets like a list, use curly brackets. Then, type the person's name as a string, add a colon, then add the phone number as an integer on the right side of the colon. The name is a key and the phone number is a value. And that's one item in your dictionary. If you want to get a value for a certain key, let's say your friend's phone number, type the dictionary name and .get. This will return the value associated with the key. If you want a list containing all the keys in your dictionary, just type the name and .keys. It will return a list of all the keys in your dictionary. If you want to see all the keys and values printed out as a list, then use the .items method. Now let's say you want to add something to the dictionary. Write the dictionary name and in square brackets, the new key you want to add. Then set it equal to the value you want associated to that key. It's a similar process to change a value in a dictionary. Type the key whose value you want to change in square brackets and set it equal to the new value. That's all the basics you need to know about dictionaries. See how you can incorporate dictionaries in your own beginner programs. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also feel free to leave any feedback in the comments. Have a wonderful day, everyone.